Hello friends, welcome to WebMotley. In this video, you will learn Mac tricks that will help you work faster and more efficiently. Before that, you should know some of the key names in your Mac keyboard. For example, this key is called Option key and this key is called Command key and this one is called Shift key. These key names will be used everywhere in my video, so pay attention. Let's start with how to remove the app icon from dock in 1 second. You know that we can do it by clicking on quit. First of all, right click on the icon and then go to the option and remove from dock. The icon will be removed. But the faster way of doing it, I will tell you, is just drag it outside the dock and release it. This is simple way. Now we are done with our first Mac trick and second with how to close all open apps without restart, shut down your Mac using Automator. Now we know that how can we remove icon from dock, but you cannot use it when the application is already open. Can you see this small dot adjacent to each app icon here? This indicates that the application is running and I cannot remove the application icon from dock by just hold drag release trick. Can you see that? Yes. I have to quit the application first to do that. Now, what if at the end of the day, I want to close or quit all my application using one click without restart or shut down my Mac? We can do it by using Automator. To use Mac Automator, open Spotlight Search. Either with this icon on the top of the right corner, or you can instantly open it using Command plus space, Mac shortcut key. I prefer keyboard shortcuts. Type Automator and press enter. You will notice this Automator icon in the dock here. Double click on it. Select application and click on choose button. Now here type QUIT to filter out quit all application option. Double click on it. Here you will notice first a checkbox saying ask to save changes, which is very important to be checked, as if you click on quit all icon accidentally, then you should not lose your unsaved work in various applications. Second option is saying do not quit, and this allows us to add all the application we want to keep open even if we click on quit all icon. Let's add something here. I'm going to add QuickTime Player here as I am recording my screen right now with it. And I do not want to close this app while I will show you quitting all application using our customized quit all icon or button. Let's save the settings. It will ask to give it a name or location to save. I'm going to name it something meaningful. Quit all. QUIT all. And save it on desktop. Let's close it. You can save it to any location you prefer, and for your convenience, drag this icon to dock later. I'm moving it to dock. I'm going to click it on this icon and I'll show you that all application except the QuickTime Player will be closed instantly like this. Now you can see that there is no more dots here. So all the application finally closed, and this finder will not close because this is an exceptional case for Mac that it will always open up. So it was really quick and time-saving trick. If you want to delete it, then you can do it like delete it and remove this icon from the dock. We are done.